Hello, let's see an alternative to searching for copyright-free images, which is to use AI to generate them. We are going to use the general chatbots, in this case GPT and Gemini in their free versions. Both programs have released models of image generation that work really well. For example, let's ask it to generate a very realistic image of a couple of 65 years on the beach resting while looking at the sea and smiling. The camera must have a depth of field that blurs the background with medium intensity. The program has generated this image. I had to generate the image earlier for you to see it. If we look at it carefully, we may be able to distinguish that it is not real at all, but it is practically impossible. This image was done with ChatGPT. Now let's go to Google, to gemini.google.com, also free, and in this case we asked for an image with the style of a painting. What we asked was to make an image from this one that remembers Hopper's pictures of people sitting in the bar but alone while looking at their mobile, and we passed to the programma a real image. Then it generated this first picture. It's alright, but we can see some mistakes, like this man here, his neck looks broken. So we told the program, the first man in the left seems to have a broken neck, remove it from the picture. It misunderstood what we asked for and putted them some colors, but the image was better. The mistake here was that it didn't understand correctly what I asked for in the prompt. Because I wanted to adjust the first image, but keep the rest of it. Now I asked it to swap the necks of the middle two for a normal shirt neck, but keep everything else the same. But again it didn't make that, but it made a pretty good picture that I can use to improve this. Then I asked it to redo the first one with warmer tones. But it has made another picture that reflects exactly what we wanted to reflect, which is a lot of people together, but isolated. Now, I wanted to modify the first picture, putting a more natural posture and with warmer colors, and I passed the image. Yet I have not been able to make it replicate the image, but it has made me an image that reflects what we wanted to illustrate. Well, these images are 512 for 512. So we need a free AI rescaler. We search for a free AI rescaler. I think this one is okay. We can upload an image of 512 by 512. Let's download this one as an example, and here we choose the new size. In this case we want it to be 1500 by 1500 pixels. There are more webs to rescalate AI images, like Imstwogo cutout. I tried this one, image upscaler. Let's see this one because is the one I used to do several images. The other one I didn't try before, but this one that is called ease.imagupscales.com. With this one I've uploaded the image. I've rescaled it once upwards and I've rescaled it again. This one is processing it in the meantime, but the important thing is that you get the idea, okay? Here is the original that was 2048 by 2048, and this one is 4000 by 4000. Here we can see how it has improved. The idea is that if we don't have enough resolution with what the AI has given us, we can go to one of these two. This one I've told you, or this one that I just found and we've tried. Upscale.media bar ease bar upload and scalate to a higher resolution the images that we have taken. With this I end this video, where I have told you how, instead of looking for images that we want, how to generate those with AI. How important it is to make a good prompt for what we want, and then on that prompt we can work, we can improve it. Asking it to add, modify or eliminate things. It didn't work with Gemini, but it did with ChatGPT. I've done it, and then if it doesn't have enough resolution, we can use an AI rescaler to make its resolution higher for free.